Oh, you know how to add? This one, you know how to add? This one you are adding, what are these numbers?
Six.
No,
I know.
sige.
Just don't look at this. Promise you will not look. If you look, you're gonna be dead. I know this already.
So your 6 plus 6 is 12. So yung ones is 2.
Is it 12? Six.
What number is this?
7.
Plus 4.
11.
Oh, 11, 12. Then this one?
6.
Okay. So now, here di ba ganito? You listen to me muna.
Ang lamig. Ang mamag. Ang lamig.
Lamig ba? We send the, ano? Oh, come here. Uy, I tell you something. Uy, come. Uy. Ay, you're not listening. Sige. 3 times ko din ta-timer to. O, 6 plus 6 is 12, di ba? So, you are adding 10 plus 40. Di ba 10 to 40? 10 plus 40 plus 70 is how much? 120. Di ba? Oh, that's why it's 2. There's a, look here tingnan mo. 7, ay, sorry. Yan. 2, 4, 6. 4, 7, 6. Here you are adding what? 12. Then here 40 plus 40 is what? Ay, sorry. This is 1. Wala ka ba eraser?
You are a silly goose.
Oh, here 1 and 2. 12 to, di ba? And then this one is 40 and 70. Is how much? 110. Diba? 110. And then 200 plus 400. How much?
600.
Oh, 600. Oh. So, this is the number. Kaya this one becomes 2. And then this one becomes 2. And then this one becomes 7. Oh, same yun. So this is 40, 70, di ba? And then you have a 10. So like that. So yung shortcut mo, you put 2 here, and then you put 1 here. That means it's a 10. And then your answer here is 2, and then you put here 100. Di ba? Sit down ka muna ay. Mamaya na tayo mag-play. So, do you understand na?
After math, play. After math,
sige.
play.
Sige, one
Hey.
more. Answer mo. Sige, one more.
I don't want like this.
Bakit? Yeah, this just explanation.
It's boring.
Bakit boring? Sabi mo you like math.
That the number is boring.
Which one? My solution is boring. Yeah, I'm just telling you how it became like that. This is the correct one. This one is long. This one is short. Shortcut. Drink ka ng water muna. Drink ka water. Ibo ka na naman eh. Oh, one more. Repeat. What? So high, 1,000.
Eh.
What?
It smells bad.
Ano mabaho? Ano mabaho?
Stupid. Smell it.
O, ito.
Smell yung
Di
dry
naman eh. Ay, ay! Nalaglag yung water.
Matapot. You're a clumsy.
Because you told me to, get your drawing. Oh, here, oh.
It's
You
still
put-
cold.
Off na natin yung fan. Ay, ba't ganito yung aircon? Oh, it's ano pala eh. Doon ba sa ano? Doon sa school nyo, nagpe-play ang teacher sa'yo? Nagpe-play ba yung teacher? Oh, this one, answer mo nga to. Uy! Eh, you're not answering. I pause the timer. Pause. Pause. Mm.
Kasama rin ito. Kasama din ito.
Yeah! Answer mo. So, resume. Yung math, yung multiplication, you can exchange, right? Do you know? Same lang yung answer. Oh, you don't know no? You don't know how? Sige, answer mo.
Stop multiplying! I don't want to. Am I quick?
Okay. How about this one?
No!
One more.
And then over. And then it's over.
Eh, not yet timer eh. Oh. Did the teacher tell you how to multiply like this? Huh? How do you know?
It's clearly right there.
So, ikaw, answer mo. Hmm. Let's see your answer. Oh, one more. Oh, last na yan. What's next after this?
Cosmo.
Sige. Nag-charge.
I play and then Cosmo.
Ano play natin?
Wiggle, wiggle. And soda.
Ha?
Wiggle, wiggle.
Okay.
Limiting. Is it like adding?
Something like that. You try?
If I fail,
Yeah, I will teach you how. You just try.
first my answer.
No, first you try. First
Wait.
your trick.
I hope it's correct.
I show you the technique. It's not like that. Oh, look here. 36 times 6 equals like addition. Look here. 6 times 6. 6 times 6. What's the answer?
36.
Oh, 36. 6 times 30. 6 times 30. Huh? 6 times 30? Ano?
180.
Oh, 180. Oh. Or you can also do 6 times 3, don't put the 0. Like addition, di ba? You don't put the 0. 6 times, ha? 6 times 3? O, 18. Align mo dito, oh. O, 1, 8, 18. Or 180, same lang. Then you add. How much? So, add mo. Add mo. Add mo na. How much?
260.
Same lang? O, which one easier?
That's not 18.
Easy na nga ito eh. 6 times 6, 36. 6 times 3, 18. Don't put the 0.
I want to do my own.
Kaso, pag nag-school ka, you need to do this. This one is the one they will teach you in school. Di ba? Later you practice like this,
What
ha?
grade did you learn that? What grade?
Grade 2 nga. Kasi your grade 2, we are already preparing. So when you start grade 2, sabi mo, teacher, I know that. Di ba? Okay, you know na? Later, answer mo after ng play natin, ha? Sige. Play na tayo. Play na. O, picture ko muna. Pakita natin kay nanay. Para makita ni nanay, very good ka. And then when I go, 15, watch ka na lang, ha? Okay? Watch later ng, ano ba, watch mo? Ay, akala ko mag-drawing ka. Ha?
Play!
Sige, play.
Bukas na lang siya. Course mo.
O, tomorrow na lang.
Race with ball.
Outside? Let's play